Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from your LSSC account to your Trust wallet step by step. So whether you're holding your USDT, Ethereum, BTC in your LSSC account and now you want to withdraw it in your Trust wallet for trading, for saving or selling it, this guide will walk you through everything. I will show you how you can make the withdrawal, but I will also explain what you can do after your crypto arrives in your Trust wallet, like how you can sell it, or if you want to invest in the DeFi application, how you can do that too. So it is a full walkthrough even if you are a complete beginner. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Over here, you need to simply just log into your account if you haven't already. Now, the interface of this application should look something like this. Here, tap on this search icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to simply search for USDT. If it is not listed, you can just tap on the search icon and you can enable the option. Over here, select the option of USDT and on the TRC20 network because we are going to use TRC20 network for this purpose, right? Now, once you are here in the USDT TRC20 network, you will be able to see the receive option here in the bottom. As soon as you tap on this receive option, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So this is the address that you need in order to withdraw your money from LSSC. You need to simply copy this from here. Remember, it is on USDT TRC20. I'm telling you to remember it because this is the exact same structure that you need to basically select in your LSSC account. Now you need to launch your web browser and here in the search bar simply search for lightsha.com. Once you are here, provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Now you can tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen and then select the option of withdrawal, or you can also tap on the My tab first in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you can select the withdrawal option. Whichever method you choose, you will be basically landed on this withdrawal page where you will see three different options of withdrawing your crypto. You can withdraw it in the form of USDT and the USDC, and if you have the cryptocurrency in any other form like Ethereum, BTC, you won't be able to withdraw it. If you have it, you need to first of all convert it into USDT or USDC, only then you will be able to do it. Now, in our Trust Wallet application, we have selected USDT on the TRC20 network, and this is what is available here in the LSSC app. So you need to check this box and then here in this section, simply provide that particular link which you have just copied from your Trust Wallet account. After providing it, tap on the conservation option. On the next page, enter the amount that you want to withdraw from the LSSC account. Review everything and see whether the network is correct, whether the amount is correct, whether the blockchain network is correct, and if everything is correct, simply click on the submit option in order to request your transaction. Now the transaction may take around 10 to 20 minutes and you will also be able to contact to the LSSC customer support team if you find any kind of problem. So once your transaction is completed from the LSSC's end, you need to simply come back here in your Trust Wallet application and go back on the home page and refresh this particular page. If you receive that amount here on this page, this means that you have successfully received your crypto from LSSC to your Trust Wallet. Now once you have it here, you have two different options of using that USDT. You can either use that in order to purchase other cryptos here, or you can also directly sell it and get the money in your bank account. So I'm going to be showing you those options too, because this way it will be a complete tutorial, right? So if you want to use that USDT in order to purchase other cryptos, this is quite easy. You need to just use the search bar icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Search for the name of your favorite crypto. For example, let's say you want to purchase XRP, so you need to simply tap on it then select the option of buy here in the bottom. Over here it will redirect you here on this page where basically it is going to ask you to purchase XRP, but we don't want that, right? We just want to use our USDT in order to purchase XRP or any other coin of your choice. For that, instead of the buy option, simply tap on the swap option here. In the from, simply select this drop down menu and use the search bar and search for USDT. Afterwards, in the bottom of it, you need to simply select XRP just like so. Now enter the amount that you have here in your Trust Wallet account. It can be 25%, 50% of your total amount, or you can also type it over here just like so. Then it is going to take some time and show you this type of section where basically you will come to know the transaction fees and provider. Once you are okay with this, simply tap on the swap option and your USDT will be converted into XRP, and now you can basically hold it for long term or until the time you get some gain on that, right? Now the second method is of directly selling it. You don't want to spend it, you just want to get the USDT in your bank account. In order to do that, simply just come back on the home page and tap on the sell option. Now since you have USDT, simply use the search bar in the top in order to search for USDT. You have received USDT on the TRC20 network, so you need to select that particular USDT which is on the TRC20 network. It will show up here in the top. Now enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. After doing so, simply tap on the sell option that you see over here and follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully sell it and get the money in your bank account. So this is how you can withdraw your crypto from LSSC to your Trust Wallet account, and even how you can invest and cash out to your bank account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create a follow-up on selling crypto and using DeFi dApps from the Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.